So I promise you a love poem every day until February 14th or forever, whichever comes first. And so today's poem is titled Sneaky Little Monkey. And it goes like this. I love the way you look at me. And your eyes say I love you, and I'm mischievous, and I must carry myself as a man that shouldn't be seen. I see you. I hear your soft mumblings with all the things you'd like to do. I hear you and I stay quiet, not to judge you, but to see the depths of you, to understand you, to fully embrace you, to make you feel loved as you are. You are not broken. I see you staring at things you shouldn't, and I let you because your stare is like the warm sun over my chest. And because your gaze feels intimate in the way time stops and infinity is present. I felt you when you hugged me and squeezed me a little tighter, pushing your chest into mine. I let you because your embrace felt familiar and at the same time like nothing I've ever felt. And I wanted to feel your hug forever. I hid in the softness of my voice and the kindness of my actions to sit and listen to you under the shade of your tree on a hot day, and the moment felt like breeze through the tangles of my unruly hair. I stopped to touch you, hoping you wouldn't feel my faith in you, hoping I wouldn't reveal myself in the quiet sounds of my silence. But I knew if I looked at you, you'd see me. So I looked down and up and to the side, but never at you. Until your gaze caught mine and you saw me. And I felt anger rising through me, gaping out of my eyes, and never once did I see fear in you. Only curiosity. As if you discovered something new that you'd not seen, so I leaned in, whispering naughty things in your ear, and you leaned in closer. And I felt curiosity rise in me because you were not afraid, and I felt love rise in a way that I'd never felt, accepted, all in a minute that seemed all embracing. Listen closely to me. Touch me because I love the way you look at me. And I listen obediently to the words that you say. And I never want it to stop. Stop being the man that can't be seen, and let me look at you and touch you and love the hurts, the parts of what you think broke. Let me heal you like you healed me. My sneaky little monkey.